very important step to amendment. He has been involved in the team, like he has been involved with the team for almost seven years, and like, I would wish him all the best for his future endeavors. He is a very good product of HP.
Planner.
Just to add, Sarun's been preparing for the speech for like about half an
These all are instances. You don't prepare anything.
Okay, others who prepared. Yeah, I did prepared actually. When I was coming by train, like for the year that to say about Tilak. As Sarman said, I also joined after Tilak. It's almost 7 years that I had. When I came in, he was. We were as a processor, but then he was the guy who motivated me in the sense more on process. Right? When he was a QC, I used to be, a typical error maker in process. Okay, so he guided me through. Okay, FYI, he just given mark errors for my errors. That's one thing. And moreover on process, he is my guru. Let me say that the word that he is guru in almost all. In almost all my steps, there was Tilak. Okay? He made me climb till this level. It is all due to Tilak, I would say. So whenever I'm frustrated or whenever I'm feeling really irritated about this, anything in job or personal or anything, I used to go to Tilak. One cool guy who always gives a positive solution for almost all. What to say? Okay, one best friend, one good friend, and our relationship never goes off. So, nothing more. All the best. Okay. Guru of Amendment. That's the title Dustin's given. Anybody else want to talk? Okay, PhD.
I just had 3 words for that. Whatever I know, almost like 1 year plus. So, first word for him would be humility. Now, what does humility mean? So this guy may be 7 years old or 8 years old in the process, knowing hell a lot about amendments. But then it's very important for a person, does not have that attitude, does not come that attitude of somebody else, and come to that level and explain what those things are. So that actually requires a lot of humility. So he doesn't have that kind of attitude that, okay, I have been here for 6 years, so okay, you can go to some other person and learn about it. So that's one. That's very, very important. 2 is curiosity. That's again very, very important, be it Facebook or be it any email that comes across. I find they are very, very curious. It may be anything. It may be a mobile or anything. So that's again a very good, attribute to have as a person in order to grow. Number 3 would be the interpersonal skills. I somehow feel that he has got exceptional interpersonal skills, and I think if you put across all these 3 pieces put together, you can be an exceptional leader. So you are a very, very good leader, and I wish you all the very best, and and keep the SP flag flying wherever you go.
Sure. Thanks.
I know Tilak for the last 3.5 years with HP and starting with the business. So, I don't know, I've learned a lot of things, the whole process, all people. And I'll be personally missing in a lot of things with regard to HP and the process. So, I don't know, he's done a lot of things to the process and brought in a lot of changes and supported a lot of people in coming up and all that. So I wish him all the best for all the endeavors that he will be taking in the future. He's decided on a lot of things. He's understood a lot of things working with HP for 10 years now. So all the best.
Thanks.
Okay, guys, good morning, everybody. So, I didn't expect, first of all, this session would happen so early. So, we all know that he completed 7 years, and we all know that this is his first job. And we also know that he's doing amazing. But he's the only guy who has served 7 years all in Amendment. So, whatever challenges you are facing, it's nothing. So he's seen whatever hurdles you have seen, and one more important thing, whatever hurdles he came across, he was able to overcome everything. So that's why he was constantly handling this AMST for such a long stint. And trust me, it's a wonderful job or wonderful experience I had with him when I worked in Amendments as well. So we both joined together when we came to HP, and we had a lot of dreams. And we were all proud that we work for HP, even now. But then, when you look at this kind of long stint in one process, it's very difficult. And I truly appreciate his efforts and all the hurdles here. So, wonderful job on that, I truly appreciate it. And moving on, one person whom you could find always smiling, that's him. Nobody else I've seen smiling all the time, even though it's a pressure situation or it's a happy situation. He smiles and takes the things on how to handle it properly. So I appreciate him for that as well, because I learned those kind of characteristics from him. I never used to smile very often. So that is something I learned from him. I wish him all the very best. I'll miss my only best friend across KRM, and I feel very proud to have been working with him. Thank you.
ఏంటి కొనవారు ఏదో ప్రిపేర్ పండుతుంది
Dolly is there, Dolly. Dolly.
He's never seen RAMPK separately. He's always come to me, helped me with whatever issues I have, with why I'm with RA. I've learned a lot of things from Tilak because I'm new to HP. Thank you so much, Tilak, and all the very best for all your future.
Thanks, Lily. Please beat him now, please.
Hi team, it's a wonderful